Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal. In this video lecture, we discuss about the topic that the nitration of methoxybenzene or anisole occurs at faster rate than benzene itself. This is the topic of discussion, means the nitration of anisole occurs at a faster rate compared to the nitration of benzene. Why? The reason for this observation, that nitration of anisole occurs at a faster rate than the nitration of benzene itself. So look at these two cases. In the first case, when benzene nitration of benzene, this is the nitration of benzene. This is the case of nitration of benzene with the acid mixture. This is concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid mixture, and the nitration occurs in the benzene. And for the anisole, this is the benzene and it is nitrobenzene. So benzene to nitrobenzene form, and here anisole to ortho para and meta nitro anisole form in this nitration of the anisole. So in this case, the second case is faster, means for anisole the nitration is faster than the benzene, nitration of benzene, than that the nitration of benzene. What is the reason for the faster in case of the anisole? We discuss about this topic, and before starting the discussions regarding this topic, I would like to remind you that if you are new to this channel or you do not subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe it right now. We discuss about this topic that the major controlling factor which is speed up the reaction or increase the rate of reaction is the already present groups in benzene. Okay, in case of benzene, no substituents is present, but in case of anisole, one substituent is present, that is the OMe group, OCH3 group or OMe group. In this case, the OMe group exert a plus M effect and plus this one is exerting a plus M effect with small minus I effect, because oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. So with a small minus I effect, where the main controlling force is the plus M effect is greater in this case. So due to this mesomeric effect or resonance effect, the electron pair is entering to the benzene ring. Means in this way we can see it by resonance structure. In case of OMe or OCH3, the lone pair of electron is forming the resonance with the benzene ring. Okay, you can see the resonating structures from the OMe group introduction to the benzene ring. The major controlling force, means rate, how much faster or how much slower, is dependent on the already present group in anisole. So we are saying in case of anisole, the OMe group releases the electron to the benzene ring by plus M effect or plus R effect, and this one is another resonating structures of this, and other resonating structures you can find like okay, and then ultimately the final structure return back. So we are seeing in the ortho and para position, this position and these positions. In this position, these are called ortho and para position. In this position, a negative charge is coming. So for this reason, this OMe group activates the benzene ring. It activates the benzene ring. Due to the activation of the benzene ring by the OMe group, the electrophilic substitution takes place at a faster rate than the benzene itself. In the benzene, no such activating groups are present, but in case of OMe group, means anisole, the OMe group is an activating group which activates the benzene ring. By donation of electron to the benzene ring, it increases the rate of electrophilic substitution to the benzene ring, further electrophilic substitution to the benzene ring, because 5 positions are now left vacant for the electrophilic substitution, 1 2 3 4 5. So in this 5 position, 5 carbon atoms, the electrophilic substitution occurs, and electrophilic substitutions occur at a faster rate in case of OMe due to the electron releasing effect of the OMe. Electron releases to the benzene ring increases the electron density on it, and as a result the electrophilic attack on benzene ring occur at a faster rate compared to the only benzene where no such electron releasing groups are present. So this is the reason why nitration of benzene occurs at a slower rate than the nitration of anisole, and anisole the nitration of anisole occurs at a faster rate. This is the question, and this is the discussions about this question. I think you understand these discussions regarding this question. If you have any problem or any question regarding this discussion, then you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you find this discussions is helpful or interesting, then you can like it, and you can subscribe this channel also.